Deputy Noel Grealish.
Publicans are extremely worried about the long-term impact of Covid-19 on their businesses and their future. Many businesses feel they will not be in a position to open up properly until a vaccine is found, and they will require major financial support until that time. Social distancing is extremely difficult to maintain in the pub setting, but keeping pubs closed indefinitely is resulting in a massive surge in home drinking and uncontrolled house parties. This is contributing to the spread of Covid-19, an increase in domestic violence and building up a host of future health and social problems. Many publicans are over 66 years of age and do not qualify for the pandemic unemployment payment, and a large number of these pubs were only just struggling to remain open prior to the start of this pandemic. The pub provides a very important focal point in towns, rural and isolated communities. In many cases, it is the only social outlet available to vulnerable or elderly people who live alone. Its social importance cannot be overestimated. Taoiseach, I would ask that you would introduce a package of significant measures under the July stimulus programme to help publicans remain viable until a vaccine is found.
Thank you, Deputy.
I just really want to thank the deputies for raising this important issue, and I have to say I share your sentiments. I would like to see pubs and bars open as well on the 10th of August, if it's possible for them to do so within the public health guidelines, and I hope we'll be able to make that decision in the affirmative next Tuesday, allowing them to open on the 10th of August, but I can't guarantee that at this stage, and I totally agree that pubs offer a huge amount of employment around the country and also are really important to our social fabric, not just in rural areas but in urban areas too. And a package will be in place to support them. Here it is. No commercial rates for 6 months. A restart grant of between €4,000 and €25,000 for every pub. The wage subsidy scheme, so they'll be able to take on or take back their staff and have their pay subsidised by the state. A VAT cut of 2%, which applies to alcoholic beverages, and the spend and save scheme, which will apply to food. Will we consider doing more? Yes, we can do that, but I think that is a substantial package already. The problem is they can't open, and I just hope that can be decided in the affirmative next week.
Thank you, Taoiseach. Regional Independent Group Deputy Danny Healy-Rae.
Thank you very much, Taoiseach. I want to highlight to you the plight of carers of people with physical and mental disabilities. Elderly parents who are caring for their grown-up children. There is no daycare centres, there is no respite. The same for carers of people with Alzheimer's. Our place in Kilgarvan, Rockmount, is closed, and a wonderful facility caring for people with Alzheimer's. These carers, Taoiseach, are strangled and torn and worn. They have no respite, they have no daycare centres to send these people they're caring for. I'm asking you to do something for these people. They're the worst hit in the community, these carers. Please do something.
Thank you. Deputy Michael Collins, you want to come in on that? Yep.
On the same issue, and thanks, Oscar. Parents of children with disabilities are pleading for some type of services to reopen. In West Cork, parents were asked to seek local hubs, and many of them have found suitable buildings. One in my own community in Skull. But no matter how they